sure you're asking questions, figuring out where you're getting things confused if you are.
Yeah, Matt, you want to get those? Pass those answer sheets over to Matt for the homework. I forgot we had a different homework. Hey, Mr. Westfall, on one of those, and you're gonna have to hunt through. On one of those things, I wrote down an assignment tonight. On one of the homework, the homework check.
Black pen or pencil.
It's gonna be in, I think, blue pen.
That's solid. You got it.
Thanks, Joe.
Thanks, Dawn.
Whoa. So you guys pass out. You didn't hit yours. Nice job.
Be on the front or the back?
All right, now. So let's review what we've done so far with elimination, okay? And I'm just making these up. Don't write these down, just watch. We did ones that were already set up for what? Elimination. Do you guys agree? Right? I would add these up right now. Wouldn't my X's go away? Okay. The other one we did last night was like this. Okay. I'd have to do what? Multiply the bottom by what? Would it be -3 or 3? Mary, why would I do that? Why would I multiply this bottom one by 3? What would it set up? It would set up, so I go -4y, 9y equals 20. If I multiply everything here by 3, and you got to watch your signs, guys. Wouldn't this be 15y minus 9y equals 30? What did I just do? Set up for what? Elimination with my y's. Now, today what we're going to work on is we have to manipulate both equations. It's not that hard, but we have to work with both equations to set up elimination. All right? All right.
Down, so you're just gonna have to watch that screen.
Okay. Now, you guys got to really focus here for a couple minutes. Do you guys agree? Okay, I got opposite signs, positive opposite signs here with the ones. I could. This is pretty easy to set up either way. I can eliminate my x's or my y's. Guys, somebody's walking in the room. It's absolutely amazing. Let's focus up here. Guys, couldn't I set this up for +6, -6, right? So what would I multiply the top by? 3. What would I multiply the bottom by? 2. Wouldn't I set up? Okay, Smart, if you need to stand up behind your chair or something. Okay, I just don't want you. I want you to see this, hon. Okay, now, or if guys, couldn't I set this up for +20, -20? Either one's right. Either one's right. Okay? It doesn't matter. You'll get the same answer eventually. It just means which one you're doing first. Okay? Does that make sense? All right, so let's go ahead. Do you guys have this in your notes? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so this bracket's in my way. I'm just going to rewrite everything here. Now, personally, I would it doesn't matter. They're both small numbers. I would probably do 6, -6 with my x's, but you don't have to. You could go 20, -20 with your y's. That's fine. Okay, which one do you want to do? Pick it, Ethan. Do you want to eliminate x's or y's? Okay, we're going to eliminate the x's. Okay, now, Everybody look right here. I have positive 2, negative 3. Obviously, if you haven't, you want the smallest number they go into. If you can't figure it out, you can just multiply them together. In this case, it happens to give the lowest common multiple as well. 2 times 3 is obviously 6. So I want a positive 6 and a negative 6. What am I going to multiply the top by, guys? 3. And you have to mind your signs. Okay? What am I going to multiply my bottom by to get that to negative 6? Positive 2. Bless you. Is everybody with me? Just a little more work tonight. Same concept. Okay. Let's distribute the 3, guys. What's 3 times 2x? I got 6x. What's 3 times positive 5y? So plus 15y. And then what's 26 times 3? 78. Okay, you guys distribute the 2 and stop. You guys do that on the bottom, what we just did with the 3. And just stop. I'll kind of work it while you guys are. Okay, is everybody with me? Why did we do what we did? What's set up for elimination? The X's are, right? So my X's are going to go away because they all live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. It's a song, I'm sorry. Goes away. Did you find that, Mr. Westphal? Thank you, sir. Guys, what's 15 minus 8? What's 78 minus 50? Liv, what do I do now? Nice, Liv. She's back with us, everybody. What's 28 divided by 7? There you go. Now, guys, we always want to plug in, especially on these, you always want to plug into one of the original equations because they're going to be smaller numbers, right? Which one do you want to use up here? Really doesn't matter. What do you want to plug in y for, top or bottom? Top? Okay, so I'm just going to go, what's it? Y is 4. So I'm going to go 2x plus 5 times 4 equals 26. Go ahead, solve it. Solve it for y or x. That's a 6 if you can't tell, Jill. And I don't like your rolling your eyes at it. What'd you get, Pizza Loria?
3.
X equals 3? No. How many got 3? I agree. We got 20 minus 20 from both sides. You got 2x equals 6 divided by 2, x equals 3. So Vince, how are we going to write the answer, solution?
3, 4.
Now, we went through this process, pretty lengthy process, right? What can you do tonight to check your answer? Plug both of these in just how they are in the Desmos. Okay? I know it's not going to help you figure out what you did wrong, but it'll tell you, okay, maybe you messed up a simple sign, but it's going to tell you if you're right or wrong. Okay?
Another thing I would add, if you're not getting these right, don't just stop and say, I'll just figure it out tomorrow. Like, if you can figure out what you did wrong, I mean, that's part of math. Like, I made a mistake. I checked it. It's not right. How do I go back and diagnose it? Okay. So if you miss a problem, we're not giving you a ton of homework tonight. If you miss a problem, just go back, check to see where you went wrong. Maybe you got one of the numbers right and the other one's wrong. Oh, that means I solved the equation right, but I must have plugged it in wrong in the other one. Right? Those kind of things.
Okay, guys, look at this equation here. Two equations. What I look at is I always look for opposite signs. Do I have opposite signs with my x's or my y's? Okay. And does 2 go in? I always check, does 2 go into 5 evenly? Okay, so that's not going to be it. So I'm going to have to, what's the smallest number they both go into?
10.
I want to make this a -10, this a +10. Does that make sense? Okay. What am I going to multiply my top by?
2.
What am I going to multiply my bottom to get 10x? +5. And then I'm going to have -10, +10. All right, you guys go ahead and distribute that real quick. Take it. Oh, man. I know we're supposed to get snow today. You guys know?
Is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
What happens if you go to add these equations and one of the variables does not cancel? You did it wrong. Go back, pick a different number to multiply because they have to cancel. It's called, the process is called, say it differently. Thank you. Elimination. You guys go back and watch Minions last night?
No, I know what happens.
All right. What's -10x plus 10x? 0x's. 4y plus 15y. 19y. 64 and 50 make. Divide by 19. Is it 6? Sounds right. Make a 6. Thank you. Sorry.
You serious, Corey?
Good? Good so far. We're halfway there.
Hey, I need to go find Mr. Stadoulis and talk to him.
Bad idea. Bad idea. All right. Ethan. What equation do you want to plug 6 into for y?
The 2x plus 3y.
The bottom one?
Yeah.
2x plus 3y equals 10. Don't shortcut. Go ahead and write it out. Then plug it in, please. So 2x plus 3 times 6 equals 10. Ethan, help me out. 2x plus, what's 3 times 6?
18.
Good. What'd you do next, Ethan?
1 second. I'm trying to break this out.
Sure.
10. 18 on each side.
Good. 10 minus 18 is -8. Yeah. What about 2? X equals -4. X equals -4. Braden, how do we check? Well, first of all, what's our answer?
6. -4, 6.
Thank you. What's that?
Oh.
-4 is 6. How do we check it?
Good. I can plug it in 2. What's 2 times -4? -8. Keep that in your mind. -8. -8 plus 3 times 6, 18, right? We have -8 plus -8 plus 18, 10 equals 10. I feel pretty good about that. If you really weren't sure, plug it in up here. What's -5 times -4? Positive, right? Negative times a negative, positive 20. Keep that in your mind. Positive 20 plus double 6. What's double 6? 12. 20 plus 12? 20 plus 12.
Oh, 12. Okay.
You good? You said one more on your guided notes? Yes?
Yes.
Trent buys 3 maple cream sticks and 4 glazed donuts. Glazed donuts are trash. For $6.75. Zach buys 5 maple cream sticks and 2 glazed donuts for $7.75. What is the cost for 1 maple stick and 1 glazed donut? Obviously, they're trying to lead you into making 2 equations. Do you see it? So, 3 maple cream sticks plus 4 glazed donuts equals $6.75. Are you guys able to do that? Okay. Turn that into an equation like that. Zach buys 5 maple cream sticks and 2 glazed donuts, and it costs $7.75. Let's not worry about the final question right now. Let's solve for M or G, okay? Let's figure out which one's easiest to eliminate.
G.
I think G. Because if we multiply the bottom equation by -2, we'll be able to eliminate G. Let's do it. -2. So the green stays 3M plus 4G equals 675. We have -10M minus 4G equals 1550? -1550? Double check me.
Yes.
Good. And is that going to eliminate our G's if we add the equations? Yes. Here we go. 3M minus 10M is -7M. 4G minus 4G is 0. And 6.75 minus 1550 is what? Help me out. Calculator should all be out. What is it? -8.75. Did we eliminate G?
Yes.
Good. Divide both sides by -7. M equals positive 1.25. What is M representing? 1 maple cream stick. That's the cost, $1.25. $1.25. How do you get the cost of a glaze?
Plug it in.
Plug it in. Go ahead and do that. Got 2 more minutes. This is Matt. Schrambeck. I did. I thought I wrote him a pass. Was he in study hall? Okay. Yep, he was with me. Yep. Bye. What'd you get? One? Did you get one? 1.33? 0.75. Hold on, let's do this together, friends. This can't be good. All right, you want to plug it in top or bottom? Top? Okay. 3 times 1.25 plus 4G. Do not pack up yet. Triple 1.25 is what? 3.75? Plus 4G equals 6.75. Subtract 3.75. 3, divide by 4. Not 1 point, divide by 4. 3/4 is 0.75. 0.75, meaning a glazed donut is 75 cents. 75 cents. Homework for tonight. Page 261. 10. 12 through 15. 18. I'm copying it right up here for you. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. You already did 10 and 12. Oh, look at this. 13 through 15 and 18. Easy. I will tell you this. I'm cutting out a couple problems because you already did them. Do all of them. Do them well. Check them. Can you guys promise me you'll do that? Or else the quiz will be very difficult on Friday for you.